Welcome to our channel again. Today I want to talk to you about ceramic coating. We're going to be talking about Turbo Wax ceramic coating boosted 2.0, which is this guy right here. You can find it on our website www.turbowax.com. So I'm going to take you to the whole process about ceramic coating these wheels, which are matte. But before we get there, there's quite a bit of steps that we need to share with you. This is going to be a lengthy video, but I hope to cover all the aspects. So tomorrow, if you purchase one of our products, it is clear to you how you can go about this. So let's start from step number one. Let's talk about safety. So the most important thing when you apply any ceramic coating is the safety. This stuff, my stuff, anybody's stuff is not safe for your lungs. It's not designed for you to be breathing this. So make sure you wear the proper mask. Now, I've seen a lot of companies having a lot of videos and they are using this type of mask. This is the KN95, the one that we're using today for the coronavirus. This mask is not designed for this type of application. You need a good mask. You need a professional mask. Okay, here is a 3M with double filter. It has a filtration system. The filters are good for 2 years. You need to periodically change them. Protect yourself. The other thing is you want to wear gloves. This type of rubber gloves is okay. This is primarily for you to avoid to getting into your skin, and maybe you will have a rash. I can tell you from previous experience that I have applied the coating without any type of mask, and my face, it was very red. My nose was very red. It was hard to breathe. So I learned my lesson a while back. These days, this is the only mask that I use. So that's about that. Okay, so these wheels, like I said earlier, they're matte. And the first thing that we need to do, we need to clean them real well. So for that, we're going to be using the Turbo Wax Wheel Cleaner Deluxe right here. So this product is not like a iron remover. We don't sell and we don't manufacture that type of product because we have heard a lot of stories about rims getting messed up because of those type of products. So we don't want to take any chances. Yes, there's some of them out there they're safe, but there's some of them they're not, and I don't want to be in between. So we're just gonna manufacture and sell a wheel cleaner that we know is proven. This is what we do to clean the wheels. So usually we like to get the surface a little wet, then we apply the wheel cleaner, let it work for about 30-40 seconds, then we scrub it out, and that's it. In this case, we are going to ceramic coat the wheels on the vehicle. Now, yes, the proper way to do this is to remove the wheel out, clean it outside, and then do your ceramic wheels of the wheels. However, not everybody has the facility to do that work. Not everybody wants to embark into that type of work. And the person, the customer, you might have many reasons of why you don't want to take the wheels out. In our case, this customer is a brand new E65 2020. It's a $185,000 car. It's a lease. My customer is going to keep the car for 2 years. He don't want to spend a lot of money on the car. He just want to make his life easy for him to maintain. So what we have done with this vehicle, we put our Turbo Wax Paint Sealant Extreme on the outside. We put the boosted in the carbon fiber pieces on the inside, and then we did the wheels and we spray them. So you can apply them with a small terry cloth that comes on the kit, or you can spray them. And I'm going to tell you the why. So, okay, so the first thing is the wheels, they need to be very, very clean. You cannot have any type of dirt on them. So you can use a hand brush, or you can use a brush with the drill to go inside there. So you clean the wheel real well. After that, you want to be in a shaded area, and a very well ventilated area. And today we're going to be talking about spraying the wheels with the airbrush. And I will put the link of this type of compressor down below. So this one is a central pneumatic. You can purchase on Harbor Freight. They're about $60. I like to run about 45 pounds of air pressure. So when I press on the trigger, it comes about 30 and very fine mist, and that's how I spray them. I can tell you one thing, the compressor is phenomenal. However, the little pen that comes with is not good. This one here I spent $200 for. This is a different brand. I don't recall the brand right now. The one that comes with the kit, it lasted 2 applications and then it's done. You try to open them up and it's all gunky and it's all messed up. So what I like to do with these guns is I like to run the solution that I'm going to clean the wheels, which in our case we like to use prep soil. So prep soil is what I use for the wheels. Prep soil is what I use to take all the oils and grease and everything from the surface prior to do a ceramic coating. So what I like to do is I will run the prep soil to here. It has a little cup that you can fill it up. It doesn't take much. So I would like to run this on prior to put the ceramic coating liquid inside here. So I will run the prep soil. Then I will dry it real well in the inside. Then I can apply the ceramic coating, and then after I'm done, I will run again the prep soil. So I will always maintain these internals real clean for the next time. So the one thing you have to remember is that we don't want to get the ceramic coating on the brake disc. So we will have to cover the whole back end inside there. It's a little challenging with the wheels in place, but if you take your time, you can do it. So I will cover everything back there, the entire disc. I will cover the small open areas on the calipers because I want to shoot the calipers too. Now, you don't need to use a compressor and an airbrush. You can do it with the small cloth that comes in the kit. But for this video, I like to show you how we do it with the gun. So when you have covered the entire brake disc and you feel safe that there's no way for the ceramic coating to get into the disc, then you want to clean the bottles real well again and the face. So I like to clean them twice. I know I can go all the way inside the bottles and I'm not expecting to cover the whole area. So I will use again it's a cleaning wheel stick. I will put a microfiber rag around it. I will spray the microfiber rag and I will go in there and I will clean area by area, right? Then I will replace that microfiber rag and then I will put a clean one, and again I will wipe the whole area in the inside. So I want to make sure there's no dirt in the surface because I'm going to try to reach as much as I can. The idea is to do the face, but since I'm here, I'm going to see if I can go a little further down the bottles. In that way my customer won't have to spend that much time cleaning the wheels. So, and then also the calipers. So once I have cleaned the entire wheel and I feel that I'm ready to proceed, I have covered the disc, I will take the boosted 2.0, and there's 2 ways to do it. You can pour inside here, which is going to be very slow, or you can take the cap off and pour inside here. One cup in here, 1 full cup is enough with the sprayer. That's all you need. Please pay attention. Just prior to videotaping this video, I had the bottle without the inside with the cap off, and I dropped the bottle. By the time that I noticed it, I just dumped $90 with the products on the floor. So make sure that as soon as you're done, put the cap on, put it on the side. These are glass bottles too, so make sure that you handle them with care. Put it on the side. So again, we will go and we will pour the product inside here. We will have our gloves and our mask ready, and the disc is covered. Calipers, pieces that we might feel they need to be covered, they're covered. Everything is clean. We got the pressure set up at 45, and then we simply will spray from the inside to the outside, area by area. So you will start in here in kind of an angle, and you will spray, and then the next one, and then the bottom and the top. This one here uses a cap, so make sure you have a cap. Cap is right here, so it doesn't come off right there. See? And so you will spray the whole thing. So depending on your ambient temperature, right here we're in the garage with air conditioner, so we like to leave this on the wheels for about 45-60 seconds, and then we are going to go ahead and with a microfiber cloth, microfiber towel, we're just going to remove the excess. We like to leave the inside of the bottles without touching it. We're not going to remove anything. Why? Because especially on this car that is a lease, the idea is protecting the face and the area that you can see with your eyes from the bottle. If you want to get your hands in there and you want to wipe it off, you can do so. So I am sure that not everybody's going to agree with this way that we do this, but the customer is the one that dictates what he wants done on his car. We're not here to impose anybody how to do it. So if it's up to me, I take the wheels out, do it outside, like we have done hundreds of them, but very often we do this because of customer requests, and that's the end of that. So all you need is one coat. You don't need to put two coats. It's completely safe. The Turbo Wax Boosted 2 is safe on carbon fiber, painted surfaces, matte wheels. Okay, so here's a view of the matte wheels, ceramic coated. We did them on the car. So I hope that these tips are helpful for you, and please subscribe to our channel and let us know what you think, that we're doing good, that we're doing bad, what can we improve, that you like the video, you didn't like the video, you have any questions, please ask us. So this is all new to us, so we're very excited to continue to produce more videos to share with you how we do it Turbo Wax way. So with that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll be in touch. Take care.